At Chaffey College, it is easy to access a quick snapshot of your academic progress, search for required courses within your major, and explore programs. Let's take a closer look. To get started, log into MyChaffey and click on Self-Service Registration. Next, click on Student Planning. Then, select View Your Progress to load the My Progress screen. Your major will be listed at the top of the Progress screen. Click New Programs to view additional pathways available. Below your major, you'll see which courses are required. Click on the classes to view a description and plan when you'd like to complete them. As a Chaffey College student, you can use My Progress to track how close or far you are from graduating with a degree or certificate. This section of student planning will show you all the courses you have completed, those that are in progress, and the courses you and your counselor have planned for you to take in the future. As you complete courses, they'll be marked in green. Any missing classes will be in red so you can quickly identify what you still need to complete. Courses highlighted in yellow are planned courses on your educational plan. Please note, not all classes in red are required. Be sure to read the description for each section. Another way to view your academic progress is to click Go to Plan and Schedule. Click Timeline and view your current and upcoming courses that are part of your education plan. If you do not yet have an education plan or you wish to make any changes to your program of study, please make an appointment with a counselor at any Chaffey campus.